Okay, welcome. Good. Okay, welcome. My name is Cyprian Jizu. I I am a business information specialist. I help business simplify their work, save time by building smart system and automation. I also share practical tools, strategies, and workflow to help you work less, stay organized, and grow faster. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a contract agreement both workflow that I set up for a business. So this video is divided into two parts. The first part is where I walk you through the workflow, each and every one of the modules used in this workflow. And the second part of the video is where we test run the workflow live and direct in this video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first trigger that I use is the Jet form watch response, and this is the form that we use for this service agreement request form. This is the form. So they will fill the company name, the primary contact. This always who will be in contact with the company. This is the email, the address, this is the service description, and this is what we are going to be using to generate the agreement, the service contract of the agreement. So back to our this, and we are using a table. This is where the whole thing is going to populate. This is the table. This is our table. This is our table that we have, that the whole record is going to be populated. And this is the service description where our Google Gemini will be using to generate the contracts for this scope. So this is the workflow. So under the Google Gmail, let me show you how I set it up. I say, this is it, and I give him the instruction from the service description is gotten from the Airtable, while the company name is gotten from Airtable, and the contact person is also gotten from the Airtable. So this is it. Then under the this thing, this is how I set up the form, and this is the template that we are using for this workflow. So this is a template that is going to work with to generate our contract for us. So after then, you will now download the document and upload it on your doc. Then this is the DocuSign. This is how we set it up. This is how we set up the DocuSign. And this is also how we set up the Slack that is going to send the Slack message to the team Slack channel, informing them of a new contract that has been sent by DocuSign for signature. Okay, we have come to the end of the first phase of this video, and the second phase is where we will test run the workflow. So this is it. I've already pre-filled the form. I'll just send submit. I'll just say submit. Okay, now let's run our workflow and see. Let's run it. See, it's working. The table has finished generating. So the Google Gemini AI is using the information on the description to generate. Okay, it's done. Okay, you see, he's sending it. He's going to send us a, okay, this is it. So this is our email. We just received an email. Let's refresh. Okay, we just received an email. This is the email that we just received. Signature required. Okay, so this is it. They just sent our customer, because if you check the form, we check the form, the email that we fill, this is it. This is the email Cyprian sent to you. Okay, This is the company name. Because if you check this, we sent him a document. You see everything is being mapped. So this is your contract from the Hush agency. You see? So if I click on review contract, let's review together and show you how the workflow works. You may be asking, why do you need this kind of workflow? This workflow eliminates manual sending of contracts to be generated and populated with you. Okay, see, this is it. This is a service agreement. Okay, this is the date that we selected, 1st 10th 2025. This is the date that the contract was entered because that's the date you selected. Then this is the name, and this is the address, and this is the agency. So this is the scope of work that Google under here. This is the scope of work that we mapped. We check is coming. I want to show you the scope of work. So this is it. This result is gotten from here. So this is the scope of work. So this is the terms of an agreement. This is the communication and support. The provider will maintain consistent and open communication channel with. Okay, so this is it. So this is the contact details of the service provider, and this is the contact details of the of who. This is it. So now we are going to sign. We are going to sign this signature now. Okay, let's change the style. Let's use a simple styling. Okay, let's use this simple styling. Okay, let's use this and adopt and sign. Now let's expand it to fit in the agreement. So if I click on finish, but before I click on finish, let me show you the Slack channels. So this is it. This is just the message that is saying the new contract has been sent. So when I click on sign document now, I've already signed it. So let me finish the signing and you see what is going to come up. Okay, we have signed the document and DocuSign is going to send our client a message showing him that he has completed the signing of the document. So this is the signed document. If you to view it, okay, let's view the document that is already signed. So you will now receive an email showing that the document has already been signed by your client. Okay, so this is a signed document. We have already viewed it. And this response is gotten from jot form showing that the form has actually been filled. So this is the content of each of the form that we just filled. So that's it. Okay, let me show you the head table. So this is the head table. You can see it's already there. So everything is well handled by this simple automation. If you need this automation for your business, don't forget to reach out to me to set it up. Or we can also personalize using your day-to-day workflow, your day-to-day, okay? We can work it out and set up a system that is strictly for your business need. Thank you as I wait for your response. Bye.